Hello, I'm Leona Dooley, and this is Ebony, Ivy, and Thyme in the kitchen. And today we're going to be setting the kitchen table for Thanksgiving. Now, this is the area that is, I guess, the more happy side. I don't want to say happy, but that's not really the word I'm looking for, but it's the place where the kids sit. And so while I want it to be pretty, they just want it functional. And so that's what we're going to work on today, making it pretty and functional. And you never want to say, oh, you can't do this, you can't touch that, you can't have that, because you want them to be comfortable and you want them to enjoy what they're doing. Now, true enough, there are going to be some, especially those who are late teens and early 20s, they're going to be in there at the football game watching the football. But for the little ones, they're going to have fun sitting at the table telling their funny stories and giggling. So we are going to set the table. So stay tuned. Now, here is the centerpiece that I'll put up in the card that we did for the kitchen centerpiece. And what I've done is that I've taken a gold just placemat, and it's washable, easy to handle. I'm placing another actual placemat that sometimes I put inside trays, but it is washable, and I'm going to place that right there. That's where that's going to go, and I'm going to do that all the way around the table. And so we need the gold placemat. Then we're going to put in the one with the grapes. See all the nice colors that are picked up? I could even add some more purpley colors into what we are about to do. I'm going to sit this here because that's coming. So here's our gold placemat. I did a few things just to try to save a little bit of time, and put that in, and there we go. We got that in place. All right. We need things that are easy for the kids to handle. We're going to start with chargers. These chargers were from Family Dollar. And they're real cute because they have nice leaves all the way around them, lightweight, easy to handle, and of course, what's most important, they are washable. So that's a good thing. Put the next one down. There we go. All right. Now, what I do like to do for the kiddos is to allow them to have a plate that looks very adult type, but we're going to use these little Family Dollar melamine plates. We're going to put them in place, and then look at this. Isn't that pretty? See how it picks up those colors? I think I'm going to like that. So let me play around with it. I kind of like the way that looks. Well, I decided to go with these and leave it there, because if you put too many things here, the kiddos are going to have a problem. So I'm taking my paper Thanksgiving napkins, and actually what I think I'm going to do is to fold them inward, and I'm going to place them into a napkin ring. Now I'm going to get the tags off these napkin rings. And I love these. These are from Pier 1. I got them one day. I just happened to be in there. They were on sale for $1.99. And I wish you could feel it because it's velvety, and the girls are going to love it. We have our own little flower And see if I can get this to sit very nicely. And some parts of it are a little wired. Oh, that's going to work. My little girls are going to just love that, because I know my grandson will be in there with the guys with the football game. He's going to hang with the fellas. So the girls are going to be thrilled. We'll put one more on. So I'm folding these, kind of folded it in third, flipping the turkey over, and I'm going to slide it right into the napkin ring. Now once I get it there, then I'll have to tilt that forward just a little bit, and then take your hand and just kind of open up the flour, because that will give it the look you want. So there's two. Now I'm going to go ahead and put the other two on, and then I'll bring you back. Now, the glasses are in place, and I'm going to bring you closer so you can see exactly what this looks like. I'm not putting any silverware out because these kiddos are going to be using plasticware, and the adults will have the regular, silverware. So, I'm going to bring you close so you can see what they're going to see. All right, you can see their napkin holders. Aren't they beautiful? And see how those colors just blend? You got fall leaves that are on the placemats, the golds, and that is their beautiful table. I think they'll be thrilled to see what I did for them in the kitchen. I love it. I hope you do too. And I hope you've had a great time in the kitchen. I hope this Thanksgiving you'll think about those, whether they're young or old, and that you will do something a little special just for them. So, blessings to you and yours. Please subscribe, hit the like button, and come back because there's more to do in the kitchen.